How stoked are you?
So excited.
Whoa. What's up? We're in Tokyo. We just got to our place. We landed, and the good backpackers we are, we had no accommodations. So we just ate at the airport, and then we looked for a place to booked our place, and then took a couple trains to get here. Took a while, but we're here. Yeah, you want to see the accommodation? It's pretty small. Ready? Yep, that's it. Bed, this little walkway. At least we got a mirror. It's literally it. Good morning. This is technically day 1 in Tokyo. So we're gonna start our day off at the gym. So we're going to the family market, gonna get some pre-workout purchase. We just had breakfast at our place. I'm going to the gym. Which one are you gonna get? This one was really good.
Was it?
Yeah. Okay, I got this vitamin drink because I feel like I'm lacking seriously in some vitamins. What'd you get?
Red Bull.
And protein bar. Nice. I'm okay. Okay, we made it to the gym, and you're not allowed to film. You're not allowed to film in the gym, so you'll just have to use your imagination of what I look like. Okay, update. We are going to TeamLab Plants, I think it's called. We just got a bite to eat at this little shopping mall. Nothing special. I got like these octopus balls. Wasn't really a fan, even though I like octopus a lot. Anyways, I'm so excited for TeamLab. I'll show you when we're there.
We can download that.
Are you excited?
Huh?
Are you excited?
No.
It's hot right here. I'm just waiting for the video, and then we get it going.
You will walk barefoot as you experience the artworks with your entire body. It will get wet in some spaces. Please take off your socks and tights in the locker area.
Okay, here we go. A little bit. Dry your feet off. I feel like this is a haunted house, but like good things. Oh my gosh, that's cool. Here, go in here. Right here. I'll just... Look how pretty! Oh my god. from TeamLab to Shibuya. So we thought we'd outsmart Google, and when it told us to get off at a train station, we were still like, well, that's a long walk to our destination, Champion Bar. So we were like, we'll wait one more station. And so we got off at the next station that Google told us, and now we just like fucked ourselves. We're like in this weird random place, middle of nowhere, it feels like. No one's in here. And I think it's going to take us like 20-40 minutes just to get to where we wanted. So what Google says, Google is right. Google is always right. So don't skip
Chaotic, dude.
We have a 3D panda. I'm gonna butcher this, but today we are going to Sensoji Temple, and I'm really excited because I've always wanted to see a like Japanese temple. So let's go. Oh, I see it. And then you shake this. What does it say on it? 60? Here. So we got good fortunes.
What?
You got small fortune, I got good fortune. But it's better than bad fortune.
Is there bad?
Well, it seems we run into the Tokyo Marathon. Okay, after navigating through the Tokyo Marathon to the gym, we finished up the gym and now we're eating in this cute little street. Just got our rice and then we got some steak. Thank you. Wow, that looks so good. So bomb, look at that. There's egg, meat, rice. This is like some beef, ginger rice, so bomb. And that is just more meat. Oh, so good. Okay, after a much needed nap and rest time, we have a flight booked. We are going to go head out to Shinjuku. They have like this 3D cat that I've been wanting to see on a billboard. So we're gonna go see that, get some dinner, and do some last minute sightseeing. And then we're going to go to Disneyland tomorrow. I'm so excited. But I'll show you around Shinjuku. Bye. Off to see the kitty. Okay, we made it to go see the kitty.
Look at Becca right there.
Oh. Of course, guess we get it when it's licking itself.
Here, you want this one, Becca?
Sure.
This one right here. Hey,
Thank you. It's like sticky on my teeth.
I know.
Oh my gosh, I don't know. What do you think?
It's good, but it's a lot of.
It's really sticky.
Oh, there's one that's
Yummy.
later, but I still haven't found the garbage.
Yep. Today we go to Tokyo Disneyland. I'm so excited. So the park opened at 9, but it's apparently 11:14. So we're a little late, but that's okay. We still made it nonetheless. And we're gonna do everything we can in the one-day pass that we got. How stoked are you?
So excited.
We made it. Let's go. Okay, first ride. 55-minute wait, not too bad.
さあ、開進してフライトデッキより直ちに発進せよ無限の彼方へさあ行くぞ
It's Cirque. Gotta get it. Okay, they still have Toontown here and I'm so stoked. Toontown is so flippin' cute. Open it. Open it hard. How fast are we gonna spin?
What?
How fast are we gonna spin?
Not that fast.
Really fast. It's not lunch, so it's perfect. Okay, we're gonna end the day going into the castle. You can't do that at home, so it's kind of cool. Whoa, look at the crowd.
There's a lot.
It's really cool. Okay, you ready? That was pretty underwhelming, but
What?
walking through the castle. Alright, we made it back from Disney in pain from how much we walked today. And then we picked up our bags from our old place and we brought them to our new place. And now we're gonna go get some dinner. We're just gonna get Domino's because it sounds so bomb right now. But as good as the pizza has been that we've eaten, this just tastes like home. And it's so good. What do you think?
It's good, but not the same pizza we've had.
I know, but like it tastes like home. So Domino's, it was what I needed.